there is high probability that before you actually jumped on this video, you have watched several videos online on how to create a verified PayPal account, but you are unable to create one for yourself. I mean, it is so frustrating for you to dedicate all your time into watching a video and you try to implement it, but at the end, you end up being banned by PayPal. Now, the main reason why 99% of the videos that you're watching on YouTube regarding how to create a PayPal account is not working is because PayPal is also watching YouTube. And if they are seeing anything that you guys are doing to bypass their limitations and you are using it to, create a PayPal account, they will eventually find a way around that and, keep on banning your account. Even if you escaped, all right, you will later on get banned. But that is why I'm making this video. Over a year ago, I made a video on how you can create a PayPal account, and a lot of people started using it, and it actually works for them. They know that whenever I create a video, I will always give you updates on what's working. However, that particular update later stopped working. It's still working for some, but it's not working for majority of people. What I've discovered about PayPal is that if you really want to do business with PayPal, you really mean business, and PayPal is not supported in your country. For example, you want to create a US PayPal account and it is not supported in your country. The best option is not for you to find illegal ways to create PayPal accounts, because you are putting your money in jeopardy. I mean, the way you are putting your money in jeopardy is because PayPal can ban you anytime and you have to wait for 180 days or even much more longer before you have access to your phone. There are even some reported cases that you might not be able to get your funds out. So in this video, what I'm going to be doing is show you how you can legally create a US verified PayPal account even as a non-resident of the US. So like other videos you have watched out there, we will not be using any VPN. So what we'll be creating today is a legal PayPal account. And even from research, US PayPal account is among the strongest PayPal account. If you are able to get a verified US PayPal account, is among the strongest. Most of the time, exchangers and highly paid freelancers, what they use the most is US PayPal accounts, because US PayPal account is very strong and it doesn't get limited easily. Even if it gets limited, there is a way in this video that will show you how you can easily lift your limitation off. The main problem that even everyone is facing right now, I'm going to resolve everything for you in this video. You're going to, by the end of this video, you should be able to get your own verified PayPal account easily, having at the back of your mind that this PayPal account is legal and you don't have anything to be scared about. So let's dive in. Right now, so the first thing you're going to simply do is just to head over to your browser and you go over to paypal.com/US. I'm not using VPN. I'm not using anything. Okay. So just visit paypal.com/US. Okay. This is it. So this is the US PayPal account page. Okay. Now, what I want you to simply do is just click on this sign up button right here. Okay. Now you're going to see these two options. You can create a personal account to send, spend, and manage your money. Now you are creating a personal PayPal account. That means you are residing in the US. The only way for you to create US PayPal account while you are not in US and you get verified and you won't have any problem is by using a business. Okay. And like I've said before, if you are, if you mean serious business with PayPal, this video is for you. But if you know that maybe like I'm just going to be like $10, $5, this video might not be for you. You can actually go ahead and watch the past video I've done on how to create PayPal accounts. It might work for you that way. But if you are serious with PayPal, you want to you mean business, you have a company, or you don't even have a company, but you want to be collecting large amounts of funds, like thousands of dollars, then this is the best way to go about it. Okay. So I'm going to click on business, right? So you can see accept more forms of payments so you don't miss a sale. Easily integrate with the tools you use to run your business. Okay. Sell securely with a bank customer trust. All right. So I'm going to click on get started right here. Okay. All right. So this is what they will be requiring from you. They need you to create your account, and you just have to fill in this particular information. So I'm just gonna fill in this right now, and I'm gonna fill in my email address. Okay, my password. Okay, then I'm gonna click on agree and create account. Okay, then they are going to send you your email with a code. Okay, then you're going to click on this, email you a code. Now they are going to send email to this particular, the email you provided right now. So let me just get the code and fill it in. Okay, so 6, 12, and click on submit and you're all set. Okay, and we should move on. All right, and as you can see, it says we'll guide you every step of the way. Enter info about your business or organization. We just said basic, like its name, contact info, and tax ID number. Okay, tax ID number. You need that. Okay, you need to share some infos with them. All right, let's just click on let's go. We want to fill in that right now. Now, this is where the main thing that I need you to pay attention, pay close attention. So if you're a company, for example, a company that has a multi-member LLC corporation or government organization, you can pick this. If you're a non-profit organization, you can pick this. If you're an individual company, okay, you're a single owner. I know most of you guys will be single owners. So like you're self-employed or anything like that, you want to click on this particular one, then click on next. Okay, now here is the main place where I want you to, focus mainly on. Okay, as you can see, if you have a legal name right, make sure it matches with what's on your government issued photo ID. Okay, you have to provide the name that is on your ID that you have. Don't worry about that. Just any legal ID that you have. Now, your date of birth, your home address, all these are very, very easy. But once you see here, it says enter your SSN. Now, please take note of this. It said the IRS requires us to ask you for SSN. We use it to help to get your accounts verified, but also prepare your 1099 form so life is a little easier for your tax. Like, even if you are residing in the US or you're not residing in the US, you need to have an SSN before you can open a verified US PayPal account. Okay. So for you to open this particular account, you will need an SSN. Right now or later, they might even not ask for it later, but once you actually make your first payment or second payment, they will just ask for it after your fund is on the paper already. So before you can get your fund out, you need to provide this SSN, and that's where the problem is. Now, we as a non-resident of the US, we can actually use what is called an ITIN, which is similar to SSN, okay, and is way more easier for you to get as a non-resident legally, okay? It's just like registering your business. So, like, there are a lot of people, there are a lot of companies, like I'll be showing you currently, there are a lot of people that actually, create companies. You can create companies from anywhere in the whole world, that have a US, you get your US ITIN there, okay, but this fee is actually very, very much considered to the company that I've partnered with to produce this video for you guys, okay? But what I want you to know is that once you get your ITIN, okay, you won't have any issues. Even if you bypass these, there are a lot of people that will go ahead and bypass these and, just find a random SSN. Later on, they will require you to provide your real SSN or your real ITIN or registration number. So if you are very, very serious with your business and you don't want it to, you don't want people to serve you breakfast and like why having your funds inside. So what you need to simply do is just to, register your company. You register your company and you get your ITIN. So this is where the ITIN company actually comes in place. These guys are actually the best when it comes to ITIN registration and everything that's related with that. In fact, they will help you set up your verifiable account. You get your ITIN, they will help you set your verifiable account, even a Stripe account, any account that requires SSN, eBay, all these online stuff that you've wanted to do that requires SSN and US details. So they have a very, very friendly customer support that will guide you along the way. Actually, it's not only them that are offering this kind of service. If you actually go onto the internet, you actually find a whole lot of companies that can actually create your company for you at least like $400, $500, or even more than that. However, I have discussed and partnered with this particular company to actually give you guys at the very, very affordable rate. In fact, you'll be getting 50% the normal price, which is even very, very low compared to the $400 or $500 a month that these guys are getting. On top of that, you even get a special discount if you use the coupon code MAYOR while checking out. So whether you want to set it up yourself, like I've been showing you guys, just put your ITI number here and you are done, or you want them to set it up for you, it is as very, very simple as it can get. Do not waste your money. Do not waste your time and effort searching for videos that will not show you how to create a variable account. They will only show you how to get your account banned. Okay, please and please let me know your thoughts on it, whether you're able to, get over the hassle of creating a verifiable account over and over again. I hope this video is epic for you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.